create a something assessment. Fine. So here the previous project you should not delete, you can remove. Fine. So here new index.html. So fine. So here this is a very basic HTML5 tag. Automatically you will get, you see, exclamatory tab. Fine. So you want CSS file, right? So new file. So this is something style.css file, external CSS. This file you need to include here in the header part. So the shortcut is what, link colon CSS, link colon CSS and tab symbol, automatically you will get. Fine. So here, so some one by one, we need to like edit the code. Okay. See, in a single statement, you won't get the output. In a single statement, you won't get the output. Line by line, we have to practice, we have to see the output, we have to edit the code every time. So let's go to the h1 tag first. Fine. So here, welcome to MANAC Infotech Private Limited. So Control S, let me test here, live server, start the server. Okay, fine. So you are getting some part here left side. Okay, no problem. Uh, so one by one. Okay. Okay, let's start with the body one. Let's start with the body. Okay. So here I am writing the CSS for the body, entire body. Okay, fine. So now you need something background color. You need something background color. Background color. See, you have four parameters, right? You have the system RGB and RGBA and directly one color and hexacode. So here, some colors I note down here. Some colors I note down here. That colors I am using. Fine. So 0, 11627. Control S. Now you see the background color is changed. So you are not able to see the text, right? No problem. See, the background color is changed, but you are not able to see the text one. Okay, it's not a big deal. Fine. So you will get after that sometime. So for the, you see, this is the h1 tag, right? So let me conclude here only. For the h1 tag, I want color. The color is what, hash. This is something ff. So 9f1c. So let me check. You see, something color you are getting it. Fine. Okay. Now what are the things I required? You see, the text is right. Text is starting from the very left to right. So in the body, total text, whatever I will return, total text I want in the center. So text align, you can go text align center. So now it starts with the center. Sometimes if you wanted right, you can use right. Now you see it starts from here. So according to your situation, you have to do. So here what I am doing, center, fine. Fine. Now what is the other thing? We will see color over background. Okay, fine. Now font style, let me check font style. Okay, we go with the Google Forms. Google Forms. Sorry, not Google Forms. This is something Google Fonts. Google Fonts. So let me check here. Let me type something here, right? MANAC Infotech. MANAC Infotech Services Private Limited. So let me see the preview here. So this is our text and let me compare with the others. Okay, I'm expecting this is okay, fine. So let's go to this style sheet, you see. So we have a number of styles here still. Let me find, this is okay, fine. Now this is also okay, fine. Let me select this style. Okay. So here You have the, you have the link here. That link copy here, copy that link where exactly you have to paste in the header part. You have to paste. Fine. Now you see it will not reflect. Okay. Here the CSS rule you need to apply. You see CSS rule you need to specify. This thing you see copy. I want this for, you see, heading tag. So where is the H1 tag? Here is the H1 tag, font family. That's it. Now the style will change. You see, welcome to MANAC Infotech Private Limited. Fine. Let me find. Hmm, so what are the other things? Okay. So this is the body, right? This is a body in the something color, right? So for the body means for the entire website. For the entire website, I just wanted to create a border. For the entire website, you see, I am creating a border. Border is something 4 pixel and solid one. Okay. So here as something color I am using, you see, this is something 2EC486. Okay. So fine, this is something border I am getting. But you see, border, okay, 2EC. So after some time, I will increase this border. Okay, after some time, I will increase this border. As of now, I am keeping this. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's go with the H2. Okay, other things. H2 tag. What I can write, welcome to MANAC Infotech Private Limited, right? So sign up for Python Django internship program. Control S. Now you see this something you are not able to see the text, right? You are not able to see some text. Okay. So for this text, this is the H2 tag, right? So let me check H2 tag here. H2 tag. See here, the background, the border color you are seeing, right? This color I just wanted to apply for this. Okay, let me go to the color, H2 color. So this color, the border color, let me apply for this H2 tag. Fine. Okay. So welcome to MANAC Infotech Private Limited. Fine. So here, let me check font. 1 minute. Letter spacing. Let me give 3 pixel. Okay. So you see previously, now you see this welcome to MANAC Infotech Private Limited is something like the zigzag version. It is something, so word to word, it is something overlapping. So you want some space. The thing is what, letter spacing. Okay. So letter spacing, what I am using 3 pixel. Now what will happen, letter to letter in between, you will get what, 3 pixel space you will get. Welcome to MANAC Infotech Private Limited. Fine. So if you want, you can use. Okay. So it's not a big deal. So fine about this. Okay. So still other things is required. Sign up for Python Django internship program. I just wanted to write a few lines. I just wanted to write a few lines here about what the MANAC Infotech is providing and everything. So how exactly you can write that is what, to paragraph tag here. Paragraph tag. MANAC Infotech Private Limited is providing best internship programs. So fine, here you are getting something text, okay, but you are not able to see, it's no problem. So let's go with the P. P means paragraph. For that paragraph also I need something color. Okay. So what color I can use? Let's go to the color. So that color FT AFFC. So let me check. Okay, that white color you are getting. Fine. Now, so let me conclude the matter here. MANAC Infotech Private Limited is providing the best internship programs. So we are having development team with 50 plus senior developers. So let me check here. Fine. So now we do website designing and develop Android applications. Fine. Something you see matter is something extending, right? Okay, no problem. So here we fine. So we have delivered 20 plus CRM projects. Okay, CRM projects. Okay. See now the line you see it is something looking very small. Okay, fine. So CRM projects, fine. Uh, we also deal with digital marketing, digital marketing. We provide best services for our clients. So let me check. Fine. Now still you can write. Okay, fine. What are the things I need to maintain here? Fine. Also, so MANAC is very famous for placements. So we don't take any charge from students regarding placements. So we have 150 plus clients. Okay, fine. Okay. So this is something anybody can write some text. But you see the text is something started with the very left and you see it is something very right, you see. That thing entirely you are getting the center. Why exactly you are getting the center? Because we have used what? The entire body text align is what center. So that's why you are getting. It's not a big deal. Now I just wanted to apply some rules with this paragraph. Okay. So here let's go to the paragraph session here. So now you see this is something padding right, margin also you can take. Okay, margin also you can take. So let's go with the padding first. Padding left. So padding left what I am using 20 percentage. Now you see here you are getting the 20% from the entire screen. So suppose it starts with the 0 to 100. So here the occupancy is what 20%. In the same way I want right also. So suppose okay, fine. So this is something padding, right? So 20% let me give. Fine. So 20, 20, 40 over. Here is a 20 and here is a 20. In the total 60% you have the text. Okay. So now you can increase the font size. Font size you can increase to 8. Default is 16 pixel. Default is 16 pixel. Now you see you will get the same output. So now you can increase it to 18. Let me check. Fine. Okay. So something okay, fine. Now let me reduce this one. Let me reduce this to 10 percentage, here also 10 percentage. Okay, fine as of now. Okay, so this is okay and this is okay. Now you see here. So welcome to MANAC Infotech Private Limited. Sign up for Python and Django internship program. Okay. So here some text is there. So if the client is interested with this text, so how exactly the client will interested with this text? See, the client won't see all these things, right? The client won't see. So the maybe user anything. Here you have to type. So here free internship program. So actually it is not free. So but you have to type like that. So where this is something free, you should it is not a free internship program for. So for user attraction you should type, you see, sign up for Python and Django free internship program. The user will see and 100% he will register for this one. Okay, so fine. So user where he will register, see the user will register, okay fine, but where the user will register, that is a something question, right? Okay, so here where the user will register means here you have to provide what, a form. Here you have to provide a form here. So where, here you see, let's go to the h2 tag again, register here, control s. Now you see register here, you are getting, you see color combination also you should see something match with the entire screen. So another color I will give this. Okay, so fine, here I have to type what, a form, a form. Okay, so let me delete this entire thing as of now. Fine, I have a form. Okay, this is the form you see. Okay, so in this form you have to type. Okay, so how exactly you have to type, let go to the input and that this is something text. Now you see you are getting something box here. Okay, so now okay, so in the background, so this is something placeholder, enter name, enter name. Now you see you are getting the enter name. Fine, the user will type the enter name, this is something Kiran. So after that, so we need to ask the user again input, this is this time this email. Fine, now you see that is something you are getting nearby. Okay, so let me give you a break here. Now you will come in the very next line, but you see the two things are attached, right? So now you can give another break here. Fine. Okay, so here the placeholder, email address. Fine, email address. So sometimes you can write a matter here, enter name. It's not a big deal, you can type here enter name. But you see this text is not visible, right? This text is not visible. How exactly you can do this one? Here you see this thing, we can call it as what, a label. A label, label. Label means a text. Label means a text. Control X, you can paste here, still you will get the same thing, label also. For that label you can write the color here. Label, you can write the color, which color I can take, the paragraph color I am taking the white color. Now you see the white color you will get. Okay, so fine, you can increase this font size also, font size to 18 pixel. Fine, so for this one you can go with the email address, right? Label, so here you can type email add. Fine, email address. Fine, email address. Okay, So after this one, so we need to ask the user about the phone numbers. You see, phone number is what mandatory. Whether you are capturing the email address or not, 100% you should capture the phone number, because so we need to talk. Maybe the customer care has to talk, right? Contact. So here, let's go with the contact number. Fine. So here you should give input. This is something text. Okay, no problem. Here the placeholder, phone number. Phone number, control is fine. See, after this one, you can give a break. Fine. Okay. You see, the user will enter the first name, last name. You see, some people don't give anything. So they will try to submit this one. So here you should type the required field. So this is something required. So here it is also required field. So here it is also required field. Fine. Now 100% you need to enter all these values. See, after this one, sub button is required, right? So let me go to that button. Okay. So here this is something input. This is something submit. I am submitting all values. Submit. So fine. How exactly I will submit all these values? Here you can type the register. So now you see you are getting the register button. See, whenever you are trying to click this register, now you see you are asked by the filling the first name. If you fill the first name, now you see you are asked to fill the email address. If you fill this, even you see the something proper email address is not there. You see now even you try to register, now you see it is asking for the contact number. You can type the contact number, fine, and you can register. Now you see if you click the register, now you see you are not getting anything. Okay, no problem. But you see, whenever the user see this website, right? So whether you see the heading, whether you are seeing the company name or this one, or you see 100% you should focus on this button only. 100% you should focus on this button. So how exactly you will focus? So here you can give something ID, you can give. So ID you can give. So that ID I am making as what? sub sub. Okay. The same ID, how exactly you can access here? So by using hash. By using hash. Okay. So what is the ID name here? ID name sub. So here you can type sub. Fine. So for that one, the background color I have to change. Now you see this register background color, I am giving this heading color. Okay. So what I have given the h1 tag, what I have given, right? That color I am giving to this button. Now you see the same color you are getting, right? Fine. But you see still something is missing because the button is something very small. The button is something very small. You have to enlarge that one. So how exactly you can enlarge? So just go with the concept of height. So let's go with the 150 pixel. Now you see you are getting the very big button. So I don't want that much. So let's go with the 100. So let's go with the 80. So as of now, okay, 80 is okay. Okay. So here you can type register for internship controllers. Okay. So fine. Now let me think. Okay, the font size I just wanted to change the font size for this button. Font size, let me change with the 25 pixel. Fine. So now I just wanted to like decrease the font size. Let's go with the 22. Fine, as of now. Now for this button, I want something border. Border. So how exactly I can give 2 pixel? Okay, 2 pixel, 2 pixel solid. For this one, I just wanted to give this color. You see, this is something H2, right? So this color, the border color, I just wanted to give. Fine. Now one more thing. This one, this is something border, right? I just wanted to use the concept of border radius. Border radius. So here, let me give 25 pixel. Let's see. Fine, something. It is something slim you are getting. So fine, let's go with this something 29. Let's see. Let me check. So here, the height. Let me decrease 60 pixel. So font height. I just want width also. WIDH width. So width, let me give 60 pixel as of now. So now the width I just wanted to adjust 160 pixel. So this is something 260 pixel. Fine. Okay. What are the more things? Let me decrease the height to 50, 40. Fine. 45 I am expecting. Okay. Fine. Uh, Let me think. Okay. So here, where exactly this one? So let me change this 14 pixel. Okay. So for this one also, let me go with the border radius. This is something 8 pixel. If I give, so that's more fine. See here, this submit button is very matching, very attached to this border. You see, very attached to this border. The both are mixing, right? Now, very down, I just want some space. Very down, I just want some space. So that button is what's up, right? So here, margin down, let me use margin. Let's go with the padding concept also, no issue. Padding down, padding bottom. So let me give 23 pixel. So this is something text is changing. No, this concept is not working. Okay. So let's go with the margin bottom. Margin bottom, let me give 12 pixel. Now you see here you are getting some space. For this one we have seen the margin one. So here you can increase it to 18 pixel. Some space you are getting. So even you can increase it to 22. Okay, 24 is very enough. Fine. 30 pixel, more enough. Okay. So what are the other things is required? So here something matter, you see. So everything is fine, but about the paragraph, I just want hmm, paragraph, text align, justify. Let me see. Okay. Uh, okay. Now one more thing. This is something line height, letter spacing, line height. Okay. Let's go with this concept. Now you see, this is a welcome to MANAC Infotech. You are seeing, right? H1 tag. This is something line height. I just wanted to go. So you see, it will change the height. The you see, it will change what height? 25 pixel. Let me see. So let me check 125 pixel. Okay. So line height means here and here it is giving some space, right? So letter height is there? No. Letter spacing, okay. So line height, how much do you want? That is taking. Okay. So 1 minute still. Let me go with the letter things. Letter line style. It's not about the list. We don't have list. Letter spacing over. Letter spacing already over. A line height also over. Margin, padding, border. We don't have border position. Display hood, text decoration. Text to decoration. This is something underline. If you see, you will get what underline you will get. This is something overline. So you can go with the concept of underline. Some a small line you will get. Okay. So, but I don't want that underline. See, I don't want this underline. I want that underline for this sign up. Okay, line height. Let me go to 100 pixel 105. Fine. Okay, so let's go with this paragraph. Even sometimes paragraph is having some extra feature. Page break after para. No, we don't have. A line height, if I see 40 pixel. Yes, now you see you are getting the space here. That concept I want actually here. So here, let me go with the 10 pixel. So no, this is something 19. So now you can justify this is something 29. Something space you want that I'm looking for this space. Now you see previously the paragraph is something like the mixing one. So you wanted to like enlarge that paragraph with some content, that is something line height. Now some gap in between the line and line. Okay. So now is the H1 tag, right? So where is the H1 tag? Fine. So here I just wanted to change the font size. So how much I just wanted to change? 45 pixel. Fine. Okay, welcome to MANAC Infotech Private Limited. So sign up for Python Django free internship program. So MANAC Infotech is providing the best internship programs. We are having development team and something. You see, register for sign up. Okay. So this is something a page. Here you can go with the image tag and logo. Okay, you can find the best image. So that you can keep here. So something you can find the phone number also here. Phone number you can keep at the very margin top. Okay. So fine. So here 100% you can keep the image here. Okay, you can find some image from the internet and you can use here. So how exactly you can use by using the like margin top, margin left, that concept. You can keep the image here. Fine. See, the user will register here. See, this concept very exactly useful. Download a free book. Download a free book. Once you are downloading that one, you see download button here. Once you click this one, they are asking what, filling the first name, email address, phone number. Once you fill all these, you will get what, a download a book you will get. Okay, so register for anything, any free course, anyone. Okay, maybe a webinar also, maybe a 3 days program also, maybe a workshop also, maybe anything. It's a crash course also. Okay, so this is called a landing page. By using this landing page, we use it to capture the usernames. So here what I am giving, Kiran I am giving. So here use it to type kiran@gmail.com. So fine, here the phone number, something I am giving. Fine. Okay. Now if I click this one, something action has to take in, right? So this is the form, you see, this is the form, and here the form. When you submit, here you need to provide something action. Okay. See, presently I am not capturing the user name, email address, contact number. I just wanted to provide only one thing. If you register this, I just wanted to say simple thing, thank you. Okay. So here, thank you.html file I required. Thank you.html file. So refresh. Now you see, click. Now you see it is asking something, Kiran. If you click this, now you see you are moving to that thank you.html, but you see here the file is not available. So here you can create a file. The file name is what? Thank you.html. Any file you can keep, the same file you have to keep. Now you see here. So let me go with the h1 tag. Thanks for register to the best internship programming. So fine. So let me refresh. Thanks for register to the best internship program. So another tag, h2 tag I am using, h2 tag. Okay. So our team members customer care people will contact you soon. Okay, our customer care people will contact you soon. Fine. It's a small thing. Okay. So fine. Now go back to the version. Okay. Now this is something a landing page. This is something a landing page. Okay. So here something you require. Sir, I want this box you are seeing, right? This box I want in a decent way. I want something very big, that box. You see, sir, all box I just wanted something like same alignment I required. Okay. So forget about these boxes, say sizes and everything. This concept I will use the latest technology. How exactly we need to create the forms and everything. Okay. So now here you can understand one more thing. So here you see how exactly the farm you see. It's a farm, you see, it's a very big size, you see, a very big size. And you see the same size. And you see here also it is the farm, but you see the size is what very, you see, when compared to this one, I just cut the farm's size, you see. So here you see another one. You see here button you are seeing, right? Here you are seeing one button. Now you see how exactly I pasted some icon also. Okay, so you can go with the icon also, doctor icons. When you go with the red bus application, bus icons, how exactly you can keep each and everything I will tell nicely. Fine. So here you see when you click this, so first name is required, Kiran. Any name you can type. This is something phone number I have written. So when you click this register to internship program, now what will happen, you see, thanks for register to the best internship program, and you see our customer care will contact you soon. Now you see you are happy as of now. So once you see this one, this is something a page you see, which is something with highlight and everything you see. So with the decent colors and everything, you see, if a page is designed, a landing page is designed. So when you register to this one, you are getting very dummy page, you see, very dummy page. Now the concentration is missing. The people will think, hey, this is a real internship program or not. Maybe any course is not. You see, here the page, you see, this page and this page, you see, both pages are not linking, right? You see, this the style is different and this style is different. You see how exactly the people will think, right? So already in the very first session I told you that is something, each and every page should be in the same color and everything. You may get that out, sir, again I have to write each and everything for this page. It's no, it's no. See this page with a simple tricks, with this page with a simple tricks, how exactly I will change, you see. So just go to this one. So thank you.html, right? So here, so at very fast you see link colon css. That's it. Now you see how the page is changed. Now you see how the page is changed with a simple tick. But you see the font style you are getting the very different, right? So that is something you have to give this URLs, you see. This is something Google Maps API's URL you have to give here. Now you see how it is changed. Thanks for register to the best internship program. Our customer people contact you. Fine, both are in the same page, right? Now you can believe the thing. Okay. So this is something how exactly you can create what, a landing page. See here, sir, landing page means we have to collect the user information, right, sir? But where is the user information you have collected, sir? So here, to access these values, to access the first name, last name, date of birth, and email address, phone number, gender, male or female, any drop down list, any image you have uploaded, any content you have pasted, each and everything, how exactly you can access. So if you click this one, you need to access the first name, last name, everything, right? See how exactly you can access by using JavaScript. You can access by using JavaScript. You can access. At that time, we are dealing with the JavaScript. At that time, I will tell how exactly the JavaScript things. The same page you can take, and you can capture the each and everything. See, once you capture the each and everything, when you go to with the Django part, the Python Django part, that values we will save in the database. That values we will save in the database. So even you can see my database, some few things. So you can go to the servers and something employee database is there. So you can check here. 1 minute. Now you see this is something ID you are getting, and you see the full name Kiran, Mohan, Geeta, Ramanaidu, Sirisha. This is something the employee code you are getting. This is a mobile number you are getting. This is something a position they applied for the jobs. Okay. So each and everything, whatever you are seeing here, that you can capture and you can store in the database is also possible. You can store in the database. You see, this is something database. Okay. So, but in a single day you can't learn. So slowly you have to go. Fine. Now, your thing is what here? Your thing means here. So you have designed some idea. You see, 1 minute. Let me check internship. Sorry, ideas of the project. See, some ideas I have given, right? Maybe, see, already told you once you are dealing with the HTML topic. So pick any topic and you can create what a website. Suppose a beauty parlor website you have created. Okay. So whenever the user will see the website, you have to capture. Okay. So any offer you can keep, any maybe any hairstyle change. Okay, maybe any offer, Diwali festival or December 20, any offer you can provide, and you need to capture whatever the project you have created. Suppose if any school is there, college is there, department is there, go with the administration one. So admissions one you can go and capture. Okay, any event. Okay, in colleges we have the fest and events, right? So you can register, you can provide the some first 10 you will get what 500% off and everything. So pets dogs, you can provide what offer for the food. Pets dogs, the food is there, right? You can provide some offer for the saloons, bikes. So whenever the new bike will come, so when you first book is there, so you can provide the offer 2500 will be down, like your cost will be down if you register by using this link. See how exactly you will provide, because you contact with the like the bike service provider, right? So I will give the genuine details. So of the customers, for each contact is what 1,000 rupees. Okay, that 1,000 rupees you can provide the offer here to the clients, your clients. So it is something a business trick. Okay, the people will like adapt it to your website. So each and everything you can go. Okay, so now the topic is what, whatever you have created a HTML website. For that website, this is what a landing page you have to create. This is something a landing page you have to create. That's the idea. Okay, so can you do this? A landing page for your project, what you have done. Hello, can you do this one? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's
sir.
fine. So now one more thing here. So I got one idea here. That idea I will tell you. Sir, you have created this page. Okay, fine, sir. But sir, this color is not good to me. See, this color is okay. It's fine to me. But this color you will like or not, I don't know, right? You will like or not, I don't know. Sir, I don't want this white color. Sir, I don't want this color. Sir, the border, I don't want this color. See, some people will like color, some people will don't like colors. And you see style also, you see, it's a small button is there. That button, I make it as a very big, height and width is increased. I make it as a rounded one. Okay. So you see some font is there. This font is something not good. Let us assume. Okay. Sir, I am not interested with ready the CSS things. Sir, who will write all these things? Sir, okay, this you are understanding, okay. Sir, but whenever I see any CSS file, sir, whenever I see any CSS file, this is something very ugly I am seeing, sir. Whenever I am seeing, you see, what is this color, padding left, padding right, text align, how, sir, this concept I don't want. Okay, now here the latest thing I will tell. Latest thing. So you no need to write CSS code. Yes, you no need to write the CSS code. Yes, it's real. Now you see when you go to with the facebook.com, now you see this button color is something, right? See, you people are thinking this color is designed by the facebook.com. This button color is designed by the facebook.com, right? No, it's no. This color and everything, it's not written by the facebook.com. Now I will show you a sample here. 1 minute. Now you see here the Facebook color. You see apply for IBM. Now you see this is something login, right? You see apply for job. The same color apply for the job. What you are seeing, right? That color you are seeing here. Now you see here this color size is something small, and you see this is something very big, and you see this is something very big too. You see apply for job. You see I have not written the CSS code. I have not changed the height, size, width size. You see really. I have not changed the height. I have not changed the width. Now you see different colors and different styles. You see, create new account. You see, apply for IBM. Okay, the same colors without with rounded ones. You see the same thing. You see Facebook. You see here the round you are seeing, right? The same round you are seeing here. Okay, so how exactly these things is created without writing the CSS and everything. Okay, so I will start this session, but before this session, I just wanted to go with some questions. Some questions in CSS. Okay, so that thing we will see in that tomorrow. Some questions we will see about the CSS, but after that I will start this part. So how exactly the buttons and everything style. Okay, so we will see very next one. So tomorrow we will see it's not about the questions. I don't ask any question, but some problem will come. That problem how exactly we need to solve. That thing I will discuss. That's it. While I am writing the code, I have given some color, and somewhere I have given some color for the same thing. Which color will come? Those topics I will discuss. That's it. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So can I close the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.